Hello, my name is Jay. I'm a builder and I wanted to introduce you to what I built recently, which is PianoQuest Live. I'm a pianist, as you see, and I wanted to make an app where I can learn piano. So here's a quick demo. This is where I developed the app, as you see. And I am showing the desktop of the computer on this iPad so I can see the screen while I'm playing the piano. So let me this app will get the MIDI digital signal from my keyboard and shows it in real time. And there are a few different sections. The top part is what I call the waterfall, where the notes flow, in this case from the bottom to up, like a waterfall. And in the middle there's a keyboard, and there's this dynamic bar section where the key press is visualized by the height of each bar, as you see. And for us humans to get used to this system, I color-coded the strength. So the higher you press the keys, the warmer the color becomes. And then at the bottom is what's called a grand staff, where you see all the keys that are being pressed. This is convenient for visualizing how consistently I press the keys. Like I can do arpeggio, or I can, when I think I press the keys all at once, there's some gap, as you see. But I thought Gemini could allow us pianists to learn how we play the piano even better by getting all these digital signals and talking directly with us. It's not just the conversation that you see over here, the camera is picking up what I speak, but also I added two more things. One thing, of course, is the MIDI signal from the keyboard. Gemini can see or hear how well I play. For Gemini to get to know me better, I prepared all these drills that you see here. These are simple drills, starting from pressing a single note repeatedly to get consistent tempo or velocity, which is the same thing as the strength of pressing the keys. And another thing I wanted to add was it's why there's this QR code is over here. When I scan the QR code with my phone, my phone becomes a camera, which is not working. But basically, it can track my finger movement using media pipe, so Gemini can see how well I play.